Hi everyone. Today I am going to be opening not one but two boxes that will help you get ready for your summer plans. I hope you enjoy. This is so exciting, you guys. I have actually received a PR box from Curateur. I do have a subscription and I am affiliated with them, and they decided to send me their welcome summer box. If you are a member of Curateur, which is a subscription box that you pay less than $100 every quarter, and you get a curated look with a value of at least $400. So it's absolutely worth it. The products inside really worth $400? I think that's questionable, but you do get over and above the $100 that you're spending. Definitely. Rachel Zoe, who is a super famous stylist for the stars, puts together these boxes. It's fun to get dressed wearing something that a stylist put together, and it's really very tasteful. I really enjoyed it. And you can actually see the one for summer. I will put a link right here and you can go watch it. And I will be wearing those products all through summer. Well, they just got me a welcome to summer box. If you're signing in as a member right now, you can purchase this box for $25, a little bit less than that. And the values, there are three options. They're between $286, there's a $354, and there's a $388. What you would be doing is signing up for $25 and you pick one of these boxes. Once you get those boxes, you then are automatically signed up for the next season's box. So that's how it works. Anyway, they have a weekend retreat, a chic escape, and a glow center. And and it was sent to me. I didn't pick it. I just didn't even know I was getting it. I got the chic escape, which is perfect. I will be going somewhere super fun and staying at a super chic place. So I am really appreciative of Curateur for sending this box. If I had looked at the three of them, I would have picked the chic escape regardless. So let's see what's inside of this $25 box. It's such a great deal. I can't even. All right, so first and foremost, this beautiful scarf. So this is one of those that's long enough that you can wear over your swimsuit. This would be fun to wrap around as a halter top. Super cute. It feels like cotton, but I wonder if it's some sort of a blend. It's from Peter Som, 85% polyester and 15% cotton. I'll tell you though, it feels really nice. And that's the thing that I'm finding about these products, especially in this box. The material, the print, and the feel of things are much more refined than what they actually are. I think this is just lovely. I can wear it at the pool, or I can wear it with a white outfit. Take a look at this. A white t-shirt, white pants. They could be linen or it could be jeans. Some flats, and this fabulous scarf around the neck or tied to the bag. I love the print. I think it's like a gorgeous combination of colors. Very feminine, soft. I love the little tassels. Super fun, just ideal for summer. Then the next item are these glasses. They're called DIFF sunglasses, and it's just short for difference because they make a difference. Every pair of sunglasses that they sell, they donate another pair to somebody who needs it. What a lovely thought. I love that. These are lovely, and they're in that trendy kind of flat-faced big sunglass style. Maybe because of my gray hair, it would not be my favorite choice to go with tortoise shell, but these are just fabulous. I really like them. They probably would look a little better if my hair wasn't gray right now, but I can still wear them like this. Look at that, super cute, super fabulous, and totally in style. Anyway, I like those very much. So for the Chic Escape, it says instantly upgrade any summer look with these tortoise sunnies. Floral pink sarong, that's what it's called. It's a sarong, which means it's something you wear to the pool. You can wrap it around your waist like a skirt, or you can put it around your neck, cross it over, and of course you have your swimsuit underneath it, and then tie it in the back. I will just tie it around my purse and walk around with it because it's lovely. The sarong retails at $199, $95. I wouldn't pay that much for it, but it is lovely. The sunglasses retail at $85, reasonable. And then the gorgeous purse. I really fell in love with this purse, you guys. I like nice purses, but when you see the quality, it's from SHIRALEAH. Correct me there if I'm wrong. From Chicago. It comes in its own little covering bag, so like as more refined purses would. This is just a gorgeous purse. The attention to detail is breathtaking. Look at the corner edges, look at the little stitching, and it feels so soft. I would never have believed. Maybe the handle is the only section of it that does not feel like real leather, but everything else is buttery and beautiful and just looks like suede and real leather. Just gorgeous tan leather. It's not. It's vegan leather. And I am just baffled by it. I think it's lovely. Looks like this big sack, so you can carry lots of fun things around with it. And I'm definitely taking this one on my next trip. Loved it. These 3 items will be your accessories. Say if you have a little white dress, which everybody should have a white dress, and I will bring one on my trip. I have quite a few because I do like the summer white dresses. And then put my sunglasses on, carry that bag, use some flats so that I can walk around, and voila, that's the look. Or like I said, the jeans or linen pants with a white t-shirt. Lovely. So those are the looks that I will definitely wear when I go on my next trip. So super excited about that. Let's move on to the Glossy Box. So the Glossy Box for May didn't show up until the beginning of June. It was just a big mess. But guess what? I got the June box within a day or two of receiving the other one. So it was super early and I loved it. When I signed up for the Glossy Box, I signed up for 3 months only because I wanted to see if I would even enjoy receiving it. And the deal is so amazing. For $21 a month, you're getting a lot more in the whole size products. So I definitely recommend, if you enjoy trying new products, I definitely recommend the Glossy Box. Totally loved it. So now I'm going to renew it for like an entire year because then you get more discount. I don't know. You get the price per box is even lower. So absolutely worth it. I'm in love. Was upset last month because it came so late, but I just said that was the pandemic. Let's move on to something new. Here's what they have. First, they have these 2 peptide proteins. It's collagen peptide. This is good for joint health. Totally need that. I totally need that for my knee. And also supposedly will have resources good for your skin and hair, such as collagen and peptides. So cool. These are freebies. They came outside of the box. I love the experiencing of actually opening the Glossy Box. The first thing is you get it inside of a customized carton box, and then when you open it, you usually get the faded rosy pink. It's just so pretty with a black label. Every Glossy Box has a theme, and the theme for this one is poolside paradise, of course. That's what I'm loving about these subscription boxes, is that I usually try to update my wardrobe, or I try to update my makeup every now and then, just so I know what's going on in the world. And this kind of takes the guesswork away from me. I may not love the products, but I'm trying them. And I would have never tried them, just gone to the store and say, okay, I'm gonna buy this just for the sake of it. So somebody went through the trouble, did the curation, and actually said, okay, this is a good deal for this price, or this feels amazing, or this does what it's supposed to do. So somebody else did that for me. So that's why I'm sharing with you guys, so that you see if you like. By the way, if you like either one of these boxes and would like to join, there is a link underneath in the description. If you have to click read more right underneath the video right here, read more, there will be links to both boxes so you can purchase the subscription. And again, the value is there. You're paying for something and getting so much more in return. If you do purchase it, I get a tiny little commission. It just goes back to paying for more things for me to share with you guys. So there you go. Poolside paradise. Let me get my reading glasses. So here are the items. It usually comes with this beautiful glossy brochure telling you what the items are and tells you a little bit about each item. So the very first one, and I love it, this month I got everything that was on the list, so I'm pretty excited. So the first thing on the list is the Black Tea and Ginger Moisture Conditioner by Seed Phytonutrients. So ecologic. You know, this stuff is all clean. That's what I think is most amazing about the brand. They try to use all clean products, and all, I guess that's where they try to differentiate themselves from other boxes. But well, I guess I shouldn't say that they are all clean, but it just appears that way to me. Let's see, moisture conditioner. So this is a conditioner supporting independent American farmers who grow our sunflower seeds. Sorry, I can hardly read. With hydrating metal foam seed oil for dry, damaged hair. Everybody's hair is going to be damaged usually during the summer because of pool water, chlorine, salt. No animal testing. It's vegan. 98% natural origin. So if you look at the list of ingredients, there will be something in there that's not natural. That's pretty close. And the packaging has this little paper. I will try to wash my hair and condition it tonight and see how it feels, so I can give you a feedback when I'm editing tomorrow. The top tip says, massage 1 to 2 pumps into clean wet hair, rinse after 1 minute. And it would cost you $18. Vegan silicone-free formula designed to replenish dry, coarse, provides deep hydration for healthy, soft, shiny hair, while mango butter helps manage dry ends and flyaways. I got to smell this. So let me just do that. Oh, it smells so clean. I love the way it smells. Like a spa. Don't smell mango. It just smells clean, and there's that freshness. Oh, I love it. A very refined scent. Very refined. Really happy with that. All right, so the second item is the Nail Bay Cosmetics. It's a full-size Freedom Low pH Hemp and Green Tea Cleanser. The first step to any skincare routine, both day and night, is cleansing, formulated to delicately remove dirt and daily impurities while respecting the skin's acid mantle. This vegan and cruelty-free gel cleanser will leave your skin feeling refreshed without stripping away all the natural oil. So this little cleanser is $18.20. Okay, I don't love the way it smells. It's fruity, so it smells like something a kid would enjoy. I'm giving this one to my daughter. She'll like that. Let's see. So the next one, don't know what to think of it, you guys. I actually have that Lume deodorant, and I'll put the link on the bottom there too. And I do use it and I enjoy it. But this one is a natural deodorant cream. Rub into skin with fingers until completely clear and reapply after bathing and exercise. PW stands for Piper Y. It says this activated charcoal deodorant is formulated with clean ingredients that melt into your armpit, absorb moisture, and provide long-lasting odor protection, making it sustainable and effective. This tiny little vial here is $6. You would be paying $13 for your full size. I like the way it smells. It smells like mint. Mint and sand, if that makes any sense. And then the texture is quite soft and it melts in your hand as you touch it. I really enjoyed it. I will use it tomorrow and go out and work out in the yard and see how it feels, because I want to tell you whether or not it also works as an antiperspirant or just a deodorant. So the idea is, you know, you're saving the oceans by reducing the amount of plastics in the containers that you use. In the meanwhile, it smells good. Pili Anai or Annie, crafted for beauty, antioxidant-rich face oil, made with pili or pili and elamai oil. Ageless concentrate. 2-3 drops and then rub it all over your face. I do like the way it felt and the way it smells. The fragrance is very gentle, so it's probably no fragrance at all. It's probably just the natural ingredients. It's almost like dry tea, including rare extracts found only in the Call region of the Philippines. Oh, very unique. This powerful formula was created to nourish from within. Pili oil concentrates have anti-aging benefits, while elamai oil extracts have firming properties, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and supple. $8 for the 40 ml container. That would cost you $62. And then the very last piece, it's full size. And I am so glad this thing came with this box, because they promised it for less box and it was not delivered. So they had to make a substitution. So obviously there was some sort of manufacturing issue or delivery issue, but it's here. It's called Dew as in, you know, watery dew. Comes in this gorgeous packaging, and I will show you right here. See, it has that ombre packaging like the Chanel lipstick. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Again, sucker for packaging, you guys. It's just beautiful. The color is a cool, bright, light color. It doesn't have any warmth to it, but I did apply it to my hand, and you can see there. And I have it on today. I just put a tiny little bit on my cheekbones just to have this glowy look. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed both boxes. This is gonna be a little bit longer than usual, but that's okay. I wanted to make sure that you guys had access to all these products and to see if you liked or might want to try any of these products early in the season, so that this whole entire summer you can enjoy the products you bought for this type of weather. So hope you had a great time. If you haven't subscribed, I have a ton of you guys that are not subscribing, which it helps my channel to have subscribers or interaction. So even if you can't subscribe, just like the video or unlike it if you didn't like it. That's fine too, as long as there is interaction, so that YouTube realizes that people are watching it and then spreads out and like a wildfire. We don't want any wildfires this year. Okay guys, enjoy your week. Talk to you later.